Abdullah, it's time for Quran class. Let's go.
Okay, so you guys also be ready and leave your stuff because it's time for Quran class.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, read al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 8a, on sukoon. Sukoon. The sukoon sign is like a help sign. Therefore, the letter with a sukoon sign is carried by the letter before it. So, you guys like stories, right? Let me tell you one. But before we start, let us learn about Alif and Hamza. When there is Fatha, Kasra, or Dhamma on Alif, it becomes Hamza. So when there's any halakat on Alif, it is Hamza. A, E, U. Like over here in this table. Over here, when Alif has a sign, then it is Hamza. But when Alif has no sign, it is Alif. The story. Once upon a time, Hamza and Mim went to the park for a swinging with the cap of Fatha. They were swinging higher and higher and higher. But suddenly, Mim fell down and its cap of Fatha got damaged and it became a sukoon cap. As if Mim is telling that I need help because I'm hurt. So, obviously, when somebody is in front of you and he is hurt, you won't just sit there watching him, you will go and help him. So, Hamza comes down and helps Mim. Together, the sound becomes M. Therefore, whenever you see a sukoon sign on a letter, you have to help it. So, over here, Mim has a sukoon sign, a help sign. So, the letter before it has to help, which is Hamza and has Fatha on it. So, the Fatha has an A sound, and together they become M. Similarly, in F, the Fa has a sukoon sign, a help sign. So, Hamza has to help it with a Fatha on it, which is A. So, together the sound becomes F. So, over here, Hamza has Kasra, and it is E sound, and the sound becomes Im. Similarly, in If, Hamza has Kasra, and the sound is E, so it becomes If. And over here, Hamza has Dhamma, and it gives U sound. And together, they become And similarly, in Uf, Hamza has Dhamma, and the sound is U. So together, they become Uf. Now let's practice. قل 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 هل 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 بل 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 زل 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 مل 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 سل 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 خل 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 لل 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 عل 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 غل 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 لم 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 دم 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 هم 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 قم 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 هم 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 MashaAllah, well done! We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.